Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 31, okay? Part 3-1. And we're talking always here about transforming your life, how to best do that, and how his principles are going to help us do that. Here we have the idea of subjugating the ego once more, but this time it's a little bit different than the last principle we talked about when it came to subduing the ego. Here he says to not change facts, to not alter things or to exaggerate in order to impress others. Because I know people who've grown into their, their 50s, 60s, etc., who continue to do this, who are just saying, oh, and they want to brag about this thing and that thing and this thing. And he's saying this will cause you to not know your higher self. When you brag about things, when you need to change details and make things seem bigger, larger than life kind of qualities, it really does not allow you to see your higher self very well. It's taking you away from that kind of opportunity to really see your higher self. And I think he has a lot of good points about this one. I mean, when you exaggerate about something, you're saying how this person feels about me is more important than how I think it happened, okay? Now, if it comes to a case of a promotion or your boss or somebody you really need to impress, all those kind of things, maybe some exaggeration is necessary, okay? But on the day-to-day with just your friends or anybody, okay, it doesn't seem like it's a good need to constantly be exaggerating. That just seems a little excessive, okay? Now, I know that image is a big thing when it comes to business, when it comes to success. Image is important, and giving yourself a powerful image on the inside, getting your subconscious mind to believe in you, is absolutely huge. But as soon as you start needing to exaggerate, and you do it only for the purpose of exaggerating to others, of, oh, I got this, and I got that, and this and that, it's really keeping you away from your higher self, because your subconscious mind is seeing that how those people feel about you is more important than how you feel about yourself. So it really keeps you from seeing the true path and what you can truly achieve. And that's basically the reason you don't want to exaggerate here. And I think he illustrates this principle extremely well with this idea of, it may be cute in a child, to have to start doing that, but when you have an adult who continues to do this, particularly late into their life, it just shows that they're not actually very strong. They need to have others' approval over having their own approval and over having the truth. So I think that's basically the idea here. Talk to me about this one because this one's pretty important, I find, because a lot of people really do this, and it's a good idea to use affirmations and to give yourself a big image, but don't do it to the extent of trying to exaggerate to others, because that really takes away your power instead of giving it to you. That's part 31. I will see you guys next time with part 32, so stay tuned.